Cool survival gadgets you should know about. Did you know that nearly 70% of outdoor enthusiasts have encountered unexpected situations where their survival gear either saved the day or left them wishing for better tools? Whether you're an experienced adventurer or someone who just likes to be prepared, having the right gadgets can transform a stressful emergency into a manageable challenge. Today, we're diving deep into some of the coolest survival gadgets that are more than just neat toys. They're essential lifesavers designed to keep you safe, comfortable, and connected when the unexpected happens. From cutting-edge water purifiers to versatile multi-tools and even solar-powered chargers, these devices will upgrade your survival game and make sure you're never caught off guard. LifeStraw Mission Water Purifier. Imagine finding yourself miles from civilization with no clean water source in sight. Scary, right? That's where the LifeStraw Mission Water Purifier comes in, a beast designed for groups and individuals alike. Unlike the smaller LifeStraw models, this purifier handles large volumes of water quickly, filtering out bacteria, viruses, protozoa, and even microplastics with military-grade hollow fiber membrane technology. What's fascinating is its user-friendly design that doesn't require chemicals or batteries, meaning it can purify water simply by gravity or pumping. It's a heavy-duty piece of gear, perfect for natural disasters, group camping, or international travel, where water quality is questionable. Just think, instead of lugging heavy bottled water, you're literally drinking safely from rivers, lakes, or rainwater, turning survival into a manageable task. Climate-Static Velux Sleeping Pad. Comfort isn't the first thing people think about when it comes to survival, but let's be real, rest is survival. The Climate-Static Velux Sleeping Pad revolutionizes outdoor rest. With its innovative V-shaped air chambers designed to reduce pressure points and increase support. Unlike traditional sleeping pads, this one uses vertical and horizontal baffles that cradle your body, providing not only comfort but also warmth and insulation with an impressive R-value rating. Lightweight and compact, it packs down smaller than a loaf of bread but inflates quickly with minimal effort. Think about how much better your survival decisions will be after a good night's sleep on something this thoughtfully engineered. Because let's face it, being stiff, sore, and sleep-deprived in the wild is the real enemy, not just the bears. Leatherman Wingman Multi-Tool. You want versatility? The Leatherman Wingman Multi-Tool delivers with over 14 different tools packed into a sleek, pocket-sized frame. From spring-action pliers and wire cutters to a knife blade and various screwdrivers, it's built to be your go-to problem solver when you need it most. What's impressive is the ergonomic design that feels natural in the hand and the one-hand opening feature that lets you deploy tools quickly. Perfect when every second counts. Whether you're repairing gear, prepping food, or handling an emergency fix, this multi-tool is a rugged, reliable companion. Plus, its affordability makes it accessible for beginners and experts alike. Just be careful you don't become the person who fixes everyone else's stuff but forgets to pack their own. Black Diamond Cosmo 300 headlamp. Navigating the dark is no joke, especially in unfamiliar wilderness. The Black Diamond Cosmo 300 headlamp is an indispensable tool offering bright, consistent illumination with 300 lumens packed into a lightweight design. What stands out is its simple user interface combined with multiple light modes including red night vision and strobe, allowing you to adapt to different situations without blinding yourself or wasting precious battery. Its waterproof and durable casing means it can handle rainstorms, drops, or mud without skipping a beat. Survivalware Medium First Aid Kit. When injuries happen, panic can be as dangerous as the wound itself. The Surviveware Medium First Aid Kit is a comprehensive, well-organized lifesaver packed with over 100 pieces of high-quality medical supplies designed for a variety of emergencies, from bandages and antiseptic wipes to trauma pads and medical tape. Everything is labeled and sorted in multiple compartments for quick access during high-stress situations. The kit is lightweight and compact enough for backpacking, but thorough enough to handle serious scrapes, cuts, or burns. It's also designed with durable, water-resistant materials to keep your supplies safe in wet conditions. Clean Canteen Insulated Wide-Mouth Water Bottle. Hydration with style and substance is the name of the game with the Clean Canteen Insulated Wide-Mouth Water Bottle. Crafted from stainless steel and free from harmful chemicals, this bottle excels at keeping your beverages cold for 24 hours or piping hot for up to 12 hours, which can be critical for survival in extreme temperatures. The wide-mouth design design makes it easy to fill, clean, and add ice cubes or water purification tablets, while the durable powder-coated finish withstands rough handling and drops without denting or leaking. Whether you're sipping warm tea on a cold morning or ice-cold water in the blazing sun, this bottle delivers consistent performance and peace of mind. Solar-powered charger by Rev Power. In the modern wilderness, staying connected or powered up for your gadgets can literally be a matter of survival, and the solar-powered charger by Rev Power brings that power to your fingertips. This compact, foldable charger converts sunlight into energy efficiently enough to keep your phone, GPS, or even small USB devices running when no outlet is in sight. It's lightweight and weather-resistant, designed to attach to your backpack or tent with ease, making it perfect for long treks or unexpected power outages. Of course, solar power depends on the sun, so it's wise to have a backup, but this charger offers a reliable lifeline to modern survival tools. Imagine losing your way, but still having enough battery to call for help. That's a game changer. Leatherman Signal Multi-Tool. The Leatherman Signal Multi-Tool is the survivalist Swiss Army knife on steroids, blending 19 tools with emergency features like a fire starter, hammer, and whistle. Engineered for the serious outdoorsman, it's rugged, durable, and designed to get you out of tight spots. The built-in carbide glass breaker and all punch are features you won't find on your average multi-tool, but could save your life in extreme situations. It's a bit heavier than everyday tools, but that extra weight means you have serious firepower in your hands when nature throws curveballs. Climate Insulated Static V-Light Sleeping Pad. If you're looking for lightweight survival gear without sacrificing comfort, the Climate Insulated Static V-Light Sleeping Pad is an excellent choice. It combines cutting-edge design with durable insulation to provide a warm, supportive surface while keeping the pack weight minimal. The V-shaped chambers create natural body cradling that prevents you from sliding off, while the insulation adds protection against cold ground, crucial for preventing hypothermia during chilly nights. Despite its featherweight design, it's surprisingly resilient and quick to inflate, making it perfect for both casual campers and serious survivalists. Gerber Gator Premium Fixed Blade Knife. When you want a knife that means business, the Gerber Gator Premium Fixed Blade Knife delivers unmatched reliability. With a full-tang design and a heavy-duty blade forged from high-carbon stainless steel, it's crafted for everything from chopping and skinning to self-defense. The ergonomic Gator grip handle is non-slip, even when wet, which is vital when precision and safety matter most. It comes with a durable sheath for easy carry and quick access, ensuring it's always ready when you are. Whether you're prepping food, building shelter, or defending yourself from threats, this knife is a trusted partner that feels like an extension of your own hand. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite survival gear or any personal stories where your tools saved the day. Don't forget to share this with anyone who values preparedness or loves a good adventure. Stay ready, stay safe, and keep pushing the limits of what you can handle out there.